Hello everyone, and welcome to the tutorial video on the VIBEVERSE. In this video, you're going to learn about how to navigate through the VIBEVERSE, as well as mine for Vibrium and collect minerals. So whenever you go to our website, VibeHub.io, and you select Enter the VIBEVERSE, you're going to be brought to this main screen here. Now from here, you can start navigating your travels. So the first thing you can do is you can click on planets to get a close-up look at the specific Vibe NFT of the planets in the VIBEVERSE. You can see the owners here on the right hand side. You can select this button down here to go back to the overhead view, and you can just keep selecting planets, and the owners right here on the right hand side. Also, if you're looking around here and there's a lot of users online, you'll be able to see spaceships flying around these rings here. And you can select the spaceship, and then you get a close-up view of the spaceship and what they're doing within the VIBEVERSE. So now we want to enter the VIBEVERSE to begin our exploration. So you're going to select this plus sign here to select the ship. Now you'll be brought to this screen, and you'll see on the right-hand side all of the ships that you can select. And all of these are Vibe NFTs as well. So if you select the ship, we'll select Falcon 1, and you can get a close-up look at the ship. And we can go back to the selection list. You can scroll down and have a look at all the different ships. So we'll select Falcon 1. We'll select Launch this ship. Then brought to this screen, and now you can select which planet you want to travel to in the VIBEVERSE. So we'll select Vibia, and we're off. Once you arrive at your planet's destination, you'll be brought to this menu. So to get a nice look at your planet, Vibia, you select that icon in the bottom of your screen to get an overhead look of the planet. That's a nice view. You can select that icon to look at the entire orbit of the entire VIBEVERSE. So then you can select your ship here at the left just to go back to your ship, which is flying around the VIBEVERSE at the moment. So you'll see on your right hand side, you can set a new destination. So if you happen to get to your planet and you want to select a new one, you select Set New Destination. You can teleport to surface, or if you happen to want to change your ship, you can just select Change Ship. And also important to note, if you want to add, you can have up to 3 Vibe NFTs of spaceships traveling the VIBEVERSE at one time and mining for Vibrium. So you can just select this plus sign and select a new ship. So we'll go Falcon 11. And then you can select Launch this ship. Also important to note that if you don't happen to own a ship during the test mining phase, you'll be able to select any ship and launch it. But once mainnet is live, you'll have to either rent a ship or acquire a ship through the VibeHub NFT marketplace. So we'll select Falcon 11. We'll launch this ship. We'll also go to Vibia. So now you can see on your bottom 2 screens, you now have 2 spaceships there. And there's arrived. So now we want to go back to the Falcon 1, and there you are. And you can just flip between the 2, just like that. So we'll go Falcon 1, and then on the right-hand side, you can still have the same menu here. Set New Destination, Teleport to Surface, or Change Ship. We'll select Teleport to Surface. And then you'll be brought to your mining colony. So in this mining colony, you have 2 different options. Still, your menus here at the bottom will stay the same. You can have a nice look of the planet. you can go to the overhead look of the entire VIBEVERSE. You can add another ship. Remember, it's 3 maximum. Or you can go to your one ship or your other ship. So if you select your ship from here, you'll just be brought back to your ship that's orbiting the planet. So we'll teleport to surface again. And then same with your second ship that you may have added. And then it just goes right to it, which is Falcon 11. Let's go back to Falcon 1. We'll teleport to surface. Then you'll be brought to your mining colony. So from here you have your V-Rig farm as well as your mining field. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to collect minerals. There's green minerals, red minerals, yellow minerals, purple minerals, and blue minerals. And you can see which planet has the specific color of minerals in the description of the planets from the main screen. So we want to go to the mining field to collect minerals. So select the mining field and you'll be brought to this screen. So now we can click to start mining, or you can go back to your mining colony and all the other menus options stay the same down here. So we're going to start mining. Now you'll see your mining progress bar here. We're going to start mining for minerals. And this is your probe. So this specific planet, Vibia, has green minerals, as you can see. You can just continue watching its progress bar. So if you want to, see, you can go back to your ship. So now we want to go back to if we want to go back to Falcon 11, we can also get this ship to start mining as well. So we go back to Falcon 1, see, and if you exit out of that, you can still watch. You can still see your mining still going. So you can watch your mining probe, set new destinations. So we want to go back to watch our probe mine, and you can just continue to watch it mine. So the only ways to stop the probe from mining are actually to select stop mining, or if you go back to your spaceship and you select a new destination, your probe will stop mining. So we'll wait till this is complete. And once the mining progress goes all the way through and you reach 100%, it will just continue mining for more and more minerals, more and more green minerals. So like I said before, you need 5 different minerals. You need one green mineral, 1 red mineral, 1 yellow, 1 purple, and 1 blue. And once your progress bar completes here, and you have mined for 1 green mineral, you can click on your mining stats to view all your counts of your minerals. So you can see here now we have 1 green mineral. And you need 1 of each mineral to produce 0.1 vibrium. You can just close that, and you can access from any screen you see your mining stats on. So the mining progress complete. So now we've collected 1 green mineral. So stop mining. And then we'll go back to our mining colony. Now, if you have traveled through 5 different planets and collected the 5 different minerals, you can just go to the V-Rig farm. And then you can select deposit your minerals. And then you can start producing vibrium. That's really it. And the same concept, if you want to have multiple ships mining at the same time, you can have up to 3 ships mining at the same time for vibrium. So pretty cool stuff there. And just to show you, if you click, so we click on that, and then click on this icon, you can see right here, this planet, Vibia, this planet has a green mineral, this planet has a red mineral, this planet has a yellow mineral, and so on. Star System 2, and same concept here. It shows you which mineral is on that specific planet. So that's it, guys. If you guys have any comments or questions, we're going to leave a link to our Telegram channel in the description box below. So if you guys want instant chat or join up with the community, we have a pretty strong community, so they can help you out as well. And that's it. Enjoy your travels throughout the VIBEVERSE, and we'll be seeing you all again soon.